Thank you. Honourable
Yes,
Deputy
yes, Madam Speaker. I won't spend much time on what we've just heard. He's sitting next to one of the culprits. They've made of Mauritius, they tried to make of the DPP.
Prime Minister cannot treat me as culprit.
No,
I want him to withdraw what he just said, Madam Speaker.
If we start like this, we'll end up the same way.
Then the person who spoke just before him, the member, told us with the financial crime bill what crime was committed against democracy, against the DPP, what they tried to do and what they did. And now he comes and gives us lessons. Shame on him, Madam Speaker. Shame. Well, let me get to more serious things.
Madam Speaker, may I please?
Oh, Madam Speaker, I hope you won't do that every 5 minutes with your permission.
Remove the word culprit.
You are a culprit, you are guilty devant l'histoire.
I think you will take this as being your being in a party and they're talking.
Treat somebody as culprit.
L'électorat vous a condamné. You are a culprit. So, Madam Speaker, I'll get to more of a happy hour.
Madam Speaker, if I may, on a point of order. It is clear in the standing orders that we may not comment on the conduct or character of the member without bringing a substantive motion. Therefore, I think this would be the proper course of action, especially since they have 64 members.
Everybody speaking here has been condemning what you've done as a government in the case of MSM and as a culprit with that government until the last general elections.
You cannot use these words. Use
So, Mr. Speaker, I'll do away and I'm hoping that they'll walk out. But please don't order them out. It's not worth it.
You're making
Let me
it
get
very
to more
difficult
serious
for
things,
all of
Madam
you.
Speaker.
Making very difficult for you.
Allez. Pas qu'à attendre. Madam Speaker, Alpandido. You're staying?
His-
You want there to be no opposition?
No, there is one behind you. Madam Speaker, let me get to more serious things. Madam Speaker, this government, our government, has a very, very ambitious democratic agenda.